To encrypt Azure SQL performance tuning. Start by understanding the importance of encryption in protecting sensitive data. Encryption is the process of converting plaintext data into unreadable ciphertext to prevent unauthorized access. First, enable transparent data encryption on your Azure SQL database. This feature automatically encrypts data at rest, including the database files, logs, and backups. To do this, navigate to the Azure portal, select your database, and click on the Security tab. Then, select Transparent Data Encryption and follow the prompts to enable it. Next, configure Azure SQL to use a secure connection. This ensures that data in transit is encrypted. To do this, make sure the connection string includes the encrypt property set to true and the trust server certificate property set to false. This will ensure that the connection is encrypted and the server certificate is validated. Another important step is to monitor and analyze database performance. Use the Azure SQL Database Query Store to monitor query performance and identify areas for improvement. The Query Store provides a history of query plans, wait statistics, and runtime statistics, allowing you to identify and optimize poorly performing queries. In addition, use the Azure SQL Database Performance Recommendations to identify and implement performance improvements. These recommendations are based on machine learning algorithms that analyze database usage patterns and provide personalized recommendations for improvement. Finally, implement best practices for Azure SQL performance tuning, such as regularly updating statistics, rebuilding indexes, and optimizing queries. This will help ensure that your database is running at optimal performance and that data is protected. By following these steps, you can effectively encrypt and optimize the performance of your Azure SQL database, protecting sensitive data and ensuring optimal performance. Remember to regularly review and update your encryption and performance tuning strategies to ensure they remain effective and aligned with changing business needs.